Hi Scorpions, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read for you for the month of August 2020. So let's start with your reading. The very first card in the reading is your fairy godmother card. This card talks about the theme of the month, and this is abundance. So happiness, abundance is coming to your life, and this is something which you will receive in the month of August. And how are the placement of the cards in the month of August? That is also I will tell you. So let's go ahead. The very first week of the month, it talks about a lot of strength in you, strength and a lot of happiness, which is actually collaborated and jointly in connected with your family life. So this month talk about the very first week talks about handling wild energy. So if there were people in your life who were not coming in control, if there were things which were out of control in the month of July, then I think the first week of August will give you that strength, that energy, that you will be able to handle those wild energies and tame down your opponents. Also, the kind of decisions going to make in the first week, and the way are going to manage people around you and your opponents, your enemies, or maybe people who need to be treated by you well in the month of August. That is going to give you some happiness in your personal life also. So maybe the way you've been dealing with your partner, that was not an appropriate way. I think the first week will teach you that way, that how should you really deal with your partner, and that way you will actually keep your partner a little more closer with you. Like, you will get the partner, attract your partner a little too much closer to you, and that's something which is going to happen because the family life, happy family time is coming your way. You will make your relationships work in the first week. People who were not into relationship, I think for them also, if the relationships were not coming in control, if you will manage them so that it will give you beneficial results out of the situation. So if it was not working and it cannot work at all, that's what you think, then I think you will have that trick in you, and those skills in you, that you will be able to manage it very very well, and the results of it will be in benefit of you the very first week of August. The second week talks about a very adamant, a very authoritative figure with whom you will be dealing with. This person is someone who's above 40 or 45. You'll be dealing with this person, and with the help of this person you emerge like a winner. So if you were facing challenges in life, with this person's help, you will become a person who will be treated very well by the people around him, or people around him who never used to appreciate this person, never used to appreciate you, will become your your fans, or maybe they will become your, they will start appreciating you. Also, the second week's energy talks about Scorpions to be a little rigid in nature. So few of you will be a little authoritative in nature, and your authoritative decisions and the authoritative approach will make you a winner. So maybe people will not like it, or people who never used to like your this approach, they will also start appreciating you. So no matter how the situation is, how the things are working around in your life, you are emerging like a winner in the month of August 2020. The very first week always already tells you that you'll be able to manage people very very well. The strength factor is very high in you. The managing your opponents is very very you are getting those skills in the first week. With the same skills, when you're entering into the second week, there you are winning over your enemies. So that is also happening very well here. That is a very nice energy. When you enter in third week, I see some loss happening. Loss is something, it is not a loss exactly, it is a energy wherein you lose something but you get out of it, out of the situation. So even if the things are negative, you're getting a learning out of that situation, and you're moving ahead in life towards a positive direction. Now, why do I say it is a positive direction? Because this instance, or maybe this the the situation I'm talking about, the situation involves multiple people, like dealing with multiple people, and these people are the people who are very elderly in nature. Maybe you will deal with bosses who are a little older, in or in their old age, or maybe in their 50s, 55. That's what they are in, and maybe they're reaching 60. So the kind of conversations you're going to have with them, those will not be pleasant. Maybe you will be little disappointed the way they actually give the kind of advices they are giving you, because you take it very unfortunate. So that disappointing factor, disappointment is something which is coming towards you in the fourth week, but it is not a complete disappointment. You have a choice of accepting the advice or not accepting the advice. That is up to you. No one is forcing things on you. No one can actually force things on you, because Why do I say that? I say that because the placement of the fourth week, the kind of cards I have there, that talks about that you are moving towards something new along with something in hand. So there is a established thing what you are leaving behind and moving ahead in life. So it is not a loss actually. A loss, I would say that, when these cups would have been spilled all over, and then this is why you're upset of the situation, this is why you're making a move. No, things are settled, very much aligned, and with this alignment only you're moving towards a new thing. So this is already, you have got all the benefits out of the situation, and the goal you are moving towards now, you are moving towards with a positive mind, because there you will get something new, something positive. Okay, the cards are full of yellow color. Yellow is a color of prosperity. I will show you multiple cards in your reading. So it's yellow all over, and this color is ruling your cards in the month of August. So you can be you can actually assume that you're very prosperity is something which is going to rule your month of August. So that is very much there. You're emerging like a winner. You're winning over people. You're winning over your opponents. Career wise also, I see move happening, move towards a better opportunity. So it is not a loss which is happening and then you move towards something where you have to compromise. No, that is not happening. In fact, in this scenario also, there will be people who will actually try to betray you, but then those that betrayal is going to be not beneficial for them, because they themselves will get into their own trap, and it will not be, and you will get to know about the betrayal very much on time, and there you take out your sword and you kill that beast. Before this beast can actually sting you or bite you, you have your sword in your hand with all the confidence, and you know how to tame him down, and this is how you have taken out your sword, and then you are ready to kill that problem. So you will be able to deal with it. The positivity in the cards is that you anyways is armed with the so the best of the weapons in hand, and you have friends also. So even if you are unaware of the problems in hand, your friends will be well aware of it, and they will protect you. They will not let your peace and happiness get impacted because of anyone in the world. Okay, so that is another positive point in your cards. And the last card talks about this problem is going away. So this person, whosoever he is, this problem, whatever it is going away out of your life, and you will be finally in peace. So peace is coming your way. No one will be able to impact or disturb your personal life. That is very much clear in the cards. The cards are very positive. The month is going to be positive for you. You will emerge like a winner. No will be able to impact your personal space. In relationships also, I see that the interference, not really interference, I will say the suggestion and advice of elderly people in the family, that is going to save your relationship. So, and if someone was trying to portray things in a negative manner about your partner in front of you, the time has come that you will identify that person very well, and you will chuck him out of your life. So you will put him out of your life and throw him out of your life, so that you can have a peaceful life ahead. By the end of where you are starting from in the month of August, and where you are ending the month, it is going to leave you at a as a very strong person, very confident person, and who knows how to uh, fight his battles, lead his battles, and win his battles. This is what I see for you in the month of August, week wise. If I talk about, I'm coming back to two last cards of your reading, which are your angel card and your message from universe. So love is something which you will have to put in you, sink in the feeling of love in you, and that love will replace the energy of fear. So do not be scared of taking decisions in life. Do not be scared of accepting something new in life, adopting something new in life. Do not be scared of starting something new in the month of August, because if you will go ahead with a lot of courage and love in your careers and be honest with what you do, you're going to get success in the month of August, Scorpions. Also, your angel card tells you that your intuitions are very strong, Scorpions. You have strong intuition. So if you get a very strong intuition about something to not to do and something to do, in that scenario, I will suggest you that you please go ahead with your intuition and believe in your intuition and accordingly take decisions, because intuition is anyways guiding you to take the right decision. Here it is, the month of August. Very productive month, very nice month. All the disputes are getting over, all the enemies are getting defeated. You're emerging like a winner in the month of August. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Reach me for your personalized reading on my India number. The code for India is 91 and the number is 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website on www.blossomlifetarot.com. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless you. Be safe, be nice to people, spread positivity around you, and God bless you. Bye bye.